My name is Lanny Markaski, and I am a freelance storyboard and concept artist working in the advertising and film industry. I have experience working on television, music videos, feature films, but the majority of the work that I do is in advertising. On a day-to-day basis, I'm responsible for working with directors to come up with the best possible shots and sequences to visually tell a story, as well as quickly illustrating realistic storyboard frames. At the start of my career, I struggled to find any information or guidance on the road to becoming a live-action storyboard artist. I had to reach out in every direction I could think of, studying illustration, observational drawing and painting, concept art, and even directing. I'm very excited for the opportunity I now have to take all the knowledge I've gained from both my studies and from my years of professional experience and compress it down into my new class, Storyboarding for Live Action. In this class, we're going to focus on specific concepts for not only effectively communicating a script visually, but also creating realistic illustrations in a short amount of time. We're going to start by getting into workflow for a live action storyboard artist. Then we're going to move into capturing the story, where we're talking about framing, camera moves, and sequential storytelling. We're going to go into drawing for live action, getting into different drawing approaches that I find most useful for my work, as well as things on figure drawing, perspective, and really just how to draw frames in a shorter amount of time that more effectively tells the story. We're going to get into light and form and how to achieve complex lighting effects in a simplified way. We're going to get into designing the frame, which is one of the keys to speeding up your workflow, understanding composition and designing shapes to quickly establish a frame that reads very clearly. Then we're going to go to working from reference, which is how to efficiently use reference to draw from, but also techniques to bring photos directly into your work to speed up the process. Then we're going to talk about color frames, we're going to get into foundation, color theory, and light logic, and we're going to explore a few processes to get successful color frames done very quickly. And lastly, we're going to go into tricks and special effects, where we'll talk about techniques to create effects in your work to give a higher level of finish, while also at the same time helping to better communicate the story. Each week we'll begin with a lecture and demonstration as well as a homework assignment. During the week, we'll have a 1-hour live question and answer where I will be able to connect personally with you to answer any questions and actually give live demonstrations. Then we will have recorded critiques personalized to your homework submissions. By the end of this course, you will have built strong foundation drawing skills, learned to create better illustrations in a shorter amount of time, have a streamlined and efficient workflow. You'll have gained a thorough understanding of framing and camera moves. You'll be able to efficiently communicate any story, and you'll have built a portfolio suited to live action storyboarding. So if you're looking for a career where every day you get to draw, communicate a story with your art, and grow as an artist, storyboarding could be perfect for you, and I would love to help you get there. So go to cgmasteracademy.com now and sign up for the next term, and I look forward to seeing you then.